Hello students, so welcome back. In this lecture number first, we will discuss the balancing method. We have an example starting with example that is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. What we will do in balancing method or in splitting method, you will have to split this term, the middle term means single x term, split into two terms such that after adding these two terms we will get plus 6x, but we will also see the next condition, that is by multiplicating these two term we will get this term. I will do a general form here. After doing this general form I will do this example. We have a general equation of quadratic equation ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You have to split this term into two terms such that if we add these two terms we will again get the bx, but first condition is that. Second condition, what is second condition in this method? That is, if this two term we multiply it, when we multiply it we must have to get this term, that is acx square, the multiplication of these two terms. Second condition is that. So we will move onward to our example, that is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. How we will solve this? First we have to split this term. How? If I split this term like 5x plus x plus 5 is equal to 0, is I am correct? Yes, I am correct. Why? If we add it again we will get an 6x. If we multiply 5x multiplied by x is equal to 5x square, which is the multiplication of these two terms, that is 5x square. So we will moving accurately. So here we can common x plus 5, and here we can common 1, x plus 5 is equal to 0. As in both term there is an again common, that is x plus 5, x plus 5. We will take this term as a common, that is x plus 5. So the remaining term is x plus 1. This is a 1. The remaining term is x plus 1. So hence we factorize the quadratic equation. Now we will find the roots. As first term is x plus 5 is equal to 0. If I shift this 5 to this, x is equal to minus 5, and if I will get another root from this term also, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. These two roots will satisfy this equation because it is an quadratic equation. Always remember this, the highest power will decide its roots. If highest power is 3, means this equation will have 3 roots. Here the highest power is 2, means that this equation will have 2 roots, that is x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 1. I will do an advanced example. We have an example number 2, that is 3x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. It is a little advanced example. In first example I discussed the two condition of balancing method. We must have to split this term, you all know that, but must satisfy these two conditions. That is, after splitting these two terms, this term into two terms, after adding these two terms we must have to get a 7x, that is plus 7x. Second condition is that we must have to multiply this term and get the multiplication of this term, that is minus 6 multiplied by 3x square we will get minus 18x square, means that two terms when we multiply it we must get minus 18x square. So here we will split this term If you can solve it, pause the video and solve it. So we have to split this term into two terms. If I split into plus 9x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. If we add it, 9x minus 2x, we will get plus 7x. If we multiply these two terms, we will get minus 18x square. 9 multiplied by 2, 18 minus x multiplied by x square. So means that we are doing correctly here, means splitting the term correctly, that is 9x minus 2x. Here the common, we have two commons, that is 3x. The remaining term here will be x, here will be plus 3. Here is common minus 2. If we common minus, so we will change this sign into plus. We have to. The remaining term is x, and here if we remove the if we common the 2, the remaining term will be 3a plus 3. How it is plus 3? Because 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. If we common the 2, the remaining term will be 3. Here we again get the common term, that is x plus 3, x plus 3. So we will common it, x plus 3. The remaining term is 3x minus 2. Here the factorization is done. Two factors means that we have two roots, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. If we shift this plus 3 from left hand side to right hand side, it will get negative. X is equal to, first root is x is equal to minus 3. Here x 3x, if we shift this minus 2 to right hand side, it will be plus 2. We must have to find the value of x. So we will cancel the 3. How we will cancel the 3? By dividing both sides 3. This 3 will cancel out this 3, and x will be is equal to 2 divided by 3. We have the two roots. Thank you so much for watching my video. In next lecture we will discuss the quadratic formula.